Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some lovely chicken and mushroom quiche. For my quiche I have here 2 breast chicken that weighed 300 gram. Instead of cooking your chicken, you can also use your leftover roasted chicken. Or after Christmas, if you have your leftover turkey roast, you can make this lovely quiche. This chicken breast is also rinsed out, and I'm going to cut them in small cubes before cooking. I have 1 medium-sized onion sliced. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of oil, a teaspoon of chicken spice. I'm also going to use 200 gram of mushroom. I have 4 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to crush, a grain of black pepper, a grain of salt, a sprinkle of paprika, and a sprinkle of mixed herbs. That's for my chicken when frying. Thereafter, I'm also going to use a generous grain of black pepper to my eggs and a teaspoon of mixed herbs. I am using 3 eggs. I'm going to use 1 cup of fresh cream. For my cream and eggs, I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoon of fine salt. And this is my ready-made short crust pastry. For topping, I'm using a cup of grated cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese to your liking. And here I have 3 pepperdews to top up. Firstly, I'm going to start off with my pastry, and thereafter we'll get our chicken cooked. We are going to start by rolling out our pastry and setting it onto our pastry dish and allowing it to cool in the freezer. I'm going to use the countertop to work. I'm going to just put a little sprinkle of flour to help me out. I'm just going to give this a slight roll. The length of my pastry is right, but I need it to get it wider than my pie dish. You're going to give this a try. I'm rolling my pastry onto my rolling pin. This is my pie dish that I used, spray and cook. I'm going to allow the pastry to overlap. I have set my pastry onto my pie dish, and I'm just going to cut out the extra. I'm going to press in my pastry to the dish very firmly. I pressed in my pastry, and now I'm just going to clean up the edges by cutting it around the dish. Now I'm just going to use the extra piece of my pastry to fill in this gap. My short crust pastry is put into my pie dish, and I'm just going to take a fork and poke some holes onto the bottom. And here I have a piece of baking paper, so I am going to place it into my pie dish, and thereafter I'm going to use rice to pull up this pie dish. We're using the rice to blind bake our pastry so it wouldn't puff up. You can also use beans or dal. This is ready to be popped into the deep freeze for half an hour. Before I start cooking up my chicken, I turn my oven on to preheat to 180 degrees. Here I have my stove on, medium heat, and I'm going to add in my oil to my pan and allow this to heat up. My oil has heated up. I'm going to add in my onions. I will allow my onions to fry till it's soft. My onions are just turning into a golden brown color, so I'm going to throw in my crushed garlic to it and give this a few seconds. This is how I cube my chicken pieces, because it's going to go into the quiche, so I don't want it too big. I'm going to add it in my oil. I'll allow this to fry out for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 minutes has passed, and now I'm going to add in my chicken spice and also a sprinkle of paprika. I'll give this a mix, and thereafter I'm going to add in my mixed herbs. And a grain of pepper. And also a grain of salt. And mix this, and thereafter I'm going to throw in my mushroom. I will lower my heat and allow this to cook till the juices of the mushroom is dry. I remove my pastry from my deep freeze. I'm going to pop it in straight away into my oven, which was preheating, and allow this to blind bake for 30 to 35 minutes. I am going to prepare my quiche filling. First, I'm going to start off with my eggs. Like one at a time. And then using a separate bowl, and adding it on. To the eggs, I'm going to add in my salt, 1 teaspoon of my herbs, and a generous grain of black pepper. And thereafter my fresh cream. And I'll give this a good whisk. Now I will set this aside till my chicken and mushroom is cooked. My chicken and mushroom is done. I'm going to switch my stove off and throw in my pepperdew. And I'll give this a good mix and allow this to cool. 30 minutes has passed and I am ready to remove my short crust pastry from the oven. I'm going to remove my rice. As you can see, the pastry is done. Now I'm ready to pull up the quiche. As you can see, my 300 gram of chicken breast was just enough, and it was just enough for my quiche. I'm going to sprinkle in my cheese. I'll quickly wash my hands. I am ready to add in my fresh cream and egg to my quiche. So I used up all this cream. I gave it a generous filling. Now I am ready to pop my quiche back into the oven and allow the egg and cream to cook up for 15 to 20 minutes. I gave my quiche 25 minutes in the oven and it's done. You can use a toothpick to check if it's done. As you can see, it's looking so nice and gone a little red on top. We will allow this quiche 10 minutes to cool down and then we are ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely, rich looking chicken with mushroom quiche served with some freshly made salad. And as you can see, the inside, it's fully done. It's not wet at all and it's nice and firm. This can be eaten as a starter or a light meal on a hot summer's day. And it's great for using most of the leftovers. And thank you all for watching and enjoy.